Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. And feel free to leave me any questions or comments that you may have at the end, as well as don't forget to hit that notification bell as we do have some up and coming videos this coming week. So today is an exciting day. I am so insanely stoked about Supreme Week 2, which is what we will be discussing in this video today. If you haven't already, go back to my Supreme Week 1, check out all the cops that I was able to get last week. That's one of my favorite videos so far because we got so much from Supreme Week 1. And I'm so happy with the items that I was able to get. This week is definitely going to be a tough week, as most of you know already. Supreme and Nike, oh my god. It's making me really wish that I was able to get a W on those Air Force Ones. Womp, womp, womp. Every single time I try and get those on the restock. My god, there was this one day where I heard they had some in stock in store, but it was pouring outside. I should have just sucked it up and walked into the store, but I didn't do it. That was a failure. Still waiting on my red verified tee. Have all of you guys gotten all your Supreme items from Supreme Week 1? Because I have yet to get my t-shirt. This is the longest Supreme has taken to send out one of my orders, so I'm worried that it may have gotten lost in the mail. So let me know in the comment box if any of you are going through the same situation as I am, but I really want that red verified tee Supreme. Give me my tee. Need to add it to my collection. All right, so let's jump into week 1. We're gonna start with kind of items that I think are, downvoted, also kind of lower on my list. Then we're gonna go through the estimated prices on these items. Just so you guys know, this is a partial list. As we know, Supreme likes to kind of throw some new items in on us very late in the game. So we're just gonna go through what we have heard will be launching this week. I'm gonna start with that logo pattern 6-panel hat. I don't know, it looks like comes in a couple different colors. We've got like a denim, a yellow, a black, and a red. It's got Supreme printed all over it, and I don't know, it's all right. I'm not too crazy of a fan. There's a lot of print going on in that, maybe a little too loud for my head, I guess. Got these curls, can't be, wearing too loud of a statement piece on top of them. Then we've got the marble track jacket and marble track pants. And it looks like those are going for $148, the marble track pants, and that hoodie is going for $178. It's pretty pricey for that marble track jacket. I don't know if I'm feeling that print. It's given me, I don't know, this first one kind of reminds me of like a dinosaur. I don't know why. It's like got some interesting coloring combinations and that marbling effect. Might be a little much on the loudness there as well, so I may just pass on that. Let's see, what else do we've got? Then the sweater. Yeah, probably not going to be wearing that sweater. That comes in a blue and yellow, a red and navy, and a black and white. Yeah, I don't know, looks like a comfy sweater, but just definitely don't feel like wearing that all over me. So I think that's going to be a pass. Then we got the Street Scene jackered top in like a greenish color and then more of like a kind of golden red color. And if you guys didn't know, I know that Supreme did launch a postcard at one point with that same print on it. So I do like the print, but I just don't know that that's going to be in my top 5 selects for this week. Next, and that's going for $88. And sorry, the FU shirt or sweater is going for $158. Then we got the dyed basketball jersey. I'm definitely into tie-dye, but I don't know how I feel about this set. It comes in like a bluish white kind of tie-dye print, and then a green and pink, and then a kind of grayish black tie-dye with matching shorts with Supreme on the front. And it looks like we've got number 20 on the bottom of those shorts, as well as Supreme on the bottom of that as well. And those, it looks like, I don't have price points on that. Let's see. Then we've got the Supreme Nike Jewel Stripe soccer jersey. I think out of all the Nike stuff that I've seen so far, that's probably the lowest on my list of things that I'm going to go after. That comes in a white and blue, a orange and red, almost like a maroon kind of color, as well as a black and a white. Kind of just, you know, looks like a basic soccer kind of polo shirt, so not really too excited about that. I am, though, pretty stoked about the Receipts rayon shirt because, as I mentioned, kind of humorous note, my friend who collects the CVS receipts uses it as toilet paper. So I definitely kind of want that shirt just because, you know, it's humorous to me. But I like it in the white and black. It also comes in the black and red, but I definitely am probably just going to go for the white and black one. And that is going for $138. That Nike Jewel Stripe soccer jersey is going for around $138. And then let's get into this Big Stitch hooded sweatshirt. I don't know. It's okay. It's pretty bland. I'm, you know, more in tune with the kind of natural color, so I like that kind of lighter khaki color, and then there's like a green khaki color. Then they've got it in a black, a red, and a blue. But I definitely think that that's probably second on my list with the two sweatshirt options that we're going to see for this week. Then we have the S Logo Sweatpants that also match the S Logo hooded sweatshirts. So that comes, it looks like, in a heather gray, a black, a red, a white, a purple, a black, and a neon. I definitely think that I'm probably going to go for that purple color, which tends to do pretty well with Supreme purple. Then I'd probably next go for a gray and probably a white or red option. Then we've got this military camp cap, which I actually love. It's got that box logo on it. I really, really like the kind of camo colored one with the Supreme in red. Really makes that Supreme logo pop. It also comes in orange, a black, a blue, a purple, and white, as well as just a plain simple green. But definitely think the multicolored kind of khaki-ish camouflage colorway is my go-to for that one. Then we've got the Supreme Nike Jewel Reversible Ripstop pants. So those are like windbreakers. I don't know. I definitely think I want the entire set. Out of the three colors, we've got an orange, a black, a white, and like kind of a lighter blue. I think that white and lighter blue is icy. I love it. I definitely want to try and cop that matching coat as well. And that's running around $148. Then we've got that S Logo hooded sweatshirt, like I said, with the pants. I'm probably definitely going to try to go hard for that purple. I love the purple and red, and it tends to do very well with Supreme. It also comes in the same colors as those pants, so that bright neon yellow. It looks like terry gray, black, white, red, and navy. And so that looks like it's going for $148. Then we got the Supreme Nike Jewel sweatshirts, which I love as well. It comes in that orange, black, and white. Definitely think I'm going to try and go for that white and blue, though I can't really rock medium shorts, so it's probably going to be a little bit difficult for me to try and cop those shorts in the small, but hey, I'm going to give it a shot. And those are running around $128. Next up, we got that pewter mini flask, which is so cool. Oh my god. I just love the simplicity of it. Silver, you know, fit in my clutch purse. Can take a little swig of something with me wherever I'm going. And for the price point, it's $36. Like, I'm definitely going to go hard for that flask. It's dope. Next up, we've got the Supreme Jewel Reversible Ripstop jacket. Definitely a windbreaker. I am trying to go for a set, so I definitely am going to try and cop that in that white and kind of light sky blue colorway. Definitely think that's my favorite color out of the three. They also have it in black as well as orange. And again, that's the Supreme Nike collab, so just fingers crossed. I know this is going to sell out so quickly, but hey, gonna give it a shot, gonna try and get some matching sets there, as well as the shorts with the Supreme Nike Jewel crew neck. Again, that comes in those same three colors, the orange, the white, and the black. All right, so going back, I forgot to mention there are actually three other color options for that Supreme Nike Jewel Reversible Ripstop anorak jacket. They also have it in a black and red as well as that black and white. I actually really love the black and red coloring scheme there, as well as a red and orange, which is quite nice as well. So definitely think I'm going to go white and blue first, then that red and black option, and then third, that red and orange, as well as those pants, again, do come in the same colorway for the windbreaker pants. So hoping that I'm able to cop, you know, at least a few pieces from this Nike Supreme collab because I think it's fire. We, of course, have just, you know, the Supreme logo with a Nike swoosh sign underneath. Very simple in that crew neck. I love a good crew neck sweatshirt. So I think first off, I'm going to probably try and hit that in the black, followed by the white. And then I would say orange is probably my least favorite of the colors that they're launching in the collaboration. And that's going for $148, that crew neck. And then the jacket is going for around $238. And last but not least, I know a lot of us are excited for this metal folding chair. I mean, living in that city life, you just need things that fold up and you can pack away because, you know, there's just such limited space in these apartments in the city. So I definitely would love to be able to cop either a black or red folding chair. We'll see. I don't really care which color. I'm okay with either. I just love the fact that I can fold it up, put it anywhere in my apartment, bring it out when I need to. So fingers crossed, will be able to cop one of those. Those are running for around $88, which is a bit steep for a folding chair in my opinion. But hey, I love the fact, again, that I can fold it up and just put it anywhere in my apartment and take it out when I want to use it. So that is Supreme Week 2's drop, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you haven't already, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up at the end, as well as leave me comments. What are you guys going for this week? What are your top 5 picks? I think as far as my top 5 picks go, I'm going to say the Flask is up there, the Nike crew neck is up there, the reversible coat with the pants and those Nike shorts are definitely going to be the top players for my week. So I'm going to try and cop as much Nike collab stuff as I can. Other than that, I love that military camp cap in that ball cap with the box logo and the camo coloring scheme. And then probably going to go for that receipts shirt. So that is for my top list. Let me hear about yours. And as well as don't forget to hit that notification bell, as I do want to alert you guys as soon as I have any up and coming videos. Nike's also rumored to potentially be launching a Air Max of some kind. I don't know if it's going to be this week. I mean, I feel like this would be the perfect week, obviously, to launch a shoe that matches the collaboration. So fingers crossed, we'll be able to maybe potentially cop a shoe this week. Other than that, I do want to give a last minute shout out to Supreme Drops Discord. What's up, you guys? I'm not catfishing you. I know you thought I was fake, but I am for real. And yes, this is me. I am in your Discord channel. So if any of you also are not aware, tonight is a big night for us at the ShadeTV community. We are going to be on Roscoe's show at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time, so I hope to see the Shade community there. I need all of your guys' support. This is my first live, so I can't wait to see all of you and chat with all of you live for the first time. Again, thanks again for tuning in to my channel. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you next time.